This lesson we're going to update some of the styling to improve the way the game looks. So within our car and as well as our enemy, we're going to apply a background image, and the image is going to have a URL, and within this URL, so we actually have an image car to PNG, so we can apply that, and the background is going to be cover. So let's see what that looks like. So now when we refresh, okay, they look a little bit more like cars now. As well, you can add that image as well into your application to make them look a little bit more like car-like. So that was just a little quick tweak to adjust the way the cars look. And let's do a final code review of the game just to make sure that everything is working as intended. So when we start the game, we come in and we've got a really narrow road. So we might want to even adjust the width of the road if we wanted to. As we can see, it's a little bit narrow, and sometimes might look a little bit better if the road was wider. So instead of 200 pixels, let's do a width of 400. And in this case, we're probably going to have to make some adjustments to the code as well. Let's try it out and see how that works. And we do need to adjust where the lines are, as well as where the cars are coming in. So you can make it a little bit more difficult, but then this as well, we need to adjust because we hard-coded some of these values. So we've got our margin left, so we need to adjust that to be 195. And we also need to adjust where the car position is, as we've got that to be as a static position as well. So if we update all three of these, we should be good to go with having a wider road. So go back and try that out and see if that works. And so far, so good. It shouldn't be affecting any of the other mechanics of the game. So we should be able to start again and see that that is working properly. And sometimes you do need to play through these games just to make sure that everything is working as intended. And we might even want to change our car color to be white so that it stands out a little bit more within the road. So that's another option. So you can really easily adjust the car color, and that's coming in from as a default here within these lines. We've got it as blue, so we can set it as white. Or we could use JavaScript to set that as well. So it's all dependent on what you want to do. So now we've got our white car. And all of the enemy cars are going to have a number on them. So we see that it's got the 1, 2, 3, and so on. So see, they all have numbers on top of them. So do try out the game. And in the upcoming lesson, we'll do a quick overview of the source code to do a quick review of what we did and how we accomplished and built out this car game from scratch. So all of that is still yet to come in the upcoming lesson.